When Amazon Web Services suffered its third major outage in a matter of weeks last month, affecting millions of people, from Citi Bike riders to Disney Plus viewers and Delta Airlines customers, almost none of its corporate clients expressed frustration publicly. But within boardrooms and corner offices, the most recent outage on December 22 was the latest reminder of the risks of relying on a single cloud vendor. The AWS outages were a black eye for the company as more enterprises race to the cloud, says Dan Ives, an analyst at Wedbush Securities. AWS has long been the cloud leader, holding 41% of the global cloud infrastructure market, and generated $16 billion revenue in the third quarter of 2021. Though as a first-mover cloud vendor since it launched in 2006, becoming essential for small and medium businesses looking to outsource their networks, AWS has been fending off tough competition from Microsoft, which Gartner says grew twice as fast as AWS in 2020 as it moved to secure a large corporate. Microsoft doesn't break out its public cloud revenue, but the most recent comparable figures from Gartner show that in 2020, Azure generated $12 billion revenue from public cloud infrastructure services, compared to $26 billion by AWS. Google Cloud trailed at $4 billion. Now that outages have reinforced the risks of relying on one vendor, signs that corporations are increasingly turning to Microsoft are starting to emerge. Research published this month by Bank of America shows that 23% of chief information officers at 185 large companies around the world expect to spend most of their cloud budgets over the next 12 months on Microsoft Azure, compared with 11% for Amazon AWS. A spokesperson for AWS contended that the company has a better track record of reliability than any other cloud provider. Pioneering this level of reliability at the scale of AWS is an unprecedented engineering accomplishment, the spokesperson said in an email. However, we understand how critical our services are for customers and their end users, and we're not satisfied unless performance is indistinguishable from perfect. AWS also said it believed clients should stick to multiple cloud regions within AWS, rather than entering multi-cloud agreements with. A multi-cloud architecture is technically complex, creates increased latency, and results in lower actual availability and resiliency than architecting for high availability on AWS, the spokesperson said.